Okay, folks, little tip I like to use this masking tape, 3M, I think it's 3/4 inch. Use it on a lot of things, ammo boxes, for labels. This is just a quick tip on setting up oil change on the EU2OOOi Honda. Oil change at 50 hours since I put this hour meter on. And just a little reminder there, whenever I need to change the oil again, I'll probably change it at 100 hours. And then whenever you put your cover back on, always nice to put another one on the outside. Sometimes they'll come off. You see, you put it on the outside there, it's not going to stick because there's oil all over the top. You wipe it off. Get it nice and clean here. I wiped it down with my oil rags a while ago. Not all, it's oil. I don't want anybody getting confused. I changed the oil, not the oil. There's the other one. Now, you can label it any way you want. That's the way I do it. Love that little generator. Actually, I got two of them. The other one I've painted up with the Plastidip. Made it look real ugly. Try to prevent people from stealing it. Thanks again. Adios.